Okay, guys, I haven't been this excited about a loaf in a while. Like when I opened up the lid, oh my gosh. So here it is. What? Oh, look at this. This is what happens when you bulk ferment properly. Okay, I took this out really early. If you see the shaping, if you see, go back on my stuff and you see what I did, this is what you get. Hey friends, we're gonna cut this beautiful loaf. My favorite loaf. I don't wanna cut it, but I do wanna cut it, but I don't wanna cut it. Let's do this. How should we do it? I'm just gonna go this way. Hopefully it's the right way. Okay. This is violet and blue mixed together. You ready? Look at that. Whoa, you guys, look at that crumb. Gorgeous. Wow. Wow. It's stunning. This loaf is perfect. This loaf rose perfectly. It scored perfectly. I'll never forget this loaf. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day.